Got a key. Celebrity Xcel.
The key to your home away from home.
Ben.
Hi, coming in.
Thank you.
This is Aqua Class.
Oh, that's very nice.
I think it's pretty much the same as a standard veranda room. Can you see in the bathroom?
Yes, please. That's very spacious.
Spacious, yes.
Toilet seats up. Not been done yet.
I think it has. I think it's to show it has.
Huge.
Shampoo, conditioner and body wash.
Very big shower.
Oh, this brand.
Nice shower head.
We had this brand in Australia. Bigger
Branded.
in a hotel in Australia.
Shoes off, please.
I'm not coming through.
Okay. Have we got any storage?
We've got storage. We've got corner storage. Something in there. Somebody's left something. Look.
Oh, we've got a gift. Camera.
And I think
The free.
that's
Oh, it's
the
binoculars for Elite.
Yes.
Whatever. Elite, whatever it is.
And there's another corner here. What's in there? Nothing special.
Oh, there's somebody in there. Oh no, it's two robes.
I'm not sure. No, and because we're in Aqua Class, we get our own gym mats.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And slippers.
Mhm.
And loads of hanging space. There's some on the other side.
And
But
the through here now. Flat screen TV.
not that we'll turn it on.
Couch.
Not that we'll use the couch.
No. And selection of invitations.
All sorts of stuff.
Got tea and coffee making.
And it's for water.
There's no green
Nothing
there.
else.
I have to get green. And then we have our own seating areas. This is the infinite balcony.
Hey presto! How cool is that? Infinite balcony. Is there any space under the bed for cases in this model?
I think so. There's also quite a few drawers.
There's a
Spa
sparkling.
menu. There's a fridge. And then space under the bed.
For
At
small,
the moment it's got cotton wool and things under
but
it.
your cases will go under there.
I think that needs cleaning.
All in all, very nice.